I think he knows he's in trouble. Hi guys, good morning. It's early in the morning and we're both tired. We get home last night.
Not that early. 9:30.
It's 9:30 already. We got home last night late, 1:30. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hi guys, I went back in bed because I'm still tired and we're planning to pick mom up, from the hospital in Manhattan. It's very far guys, so we're gonna pick her up there. She called us. She said that she's gonna be out there. They send her home noon, so we have like one and a half hour. Yes, the cat just keep crying. I don't understand. Come here, Dimples. Dimple, come here. Yeah, so that's what's going on here. Yeah, we sent her to the ER. We sent mom to ER Tuesday morning, and they decide to transfer her to Manhattan because she needs some surgery. That's all I can say, guys. She's good. She's fine now. She's okay. And yeah, I'm still watching the same show from downstairs. I turned the TV up here. Oh, sorry, guys. I don't really vlog a lot. And about the house, the info about the house searching is what is it? We supposedly going this week because of what happened is we canceled it. So next week we're going to see few houses.
Comes running when you call. Not that the couple comes running. The heck goes yelling.
Yes, good boy.
Call him up. That's what you want to call.
I want. Oh my god, you put it in your head.
Yeah, he's got close the neck.
Oh, you're good. You're still in your neck.
Right here. That bag of cheese around.
I think he knows he's in trouble. Where are you? Did they carry the thing? Hobbes! Oh my god, Han! Hobbes! Hobbes, you choked yourself! Hi, Han, can you get me a knife? He choked it. Oh, hurry up. No, he's in the thing.
I know, come on.
No, he's... Get the knife. Get the knife. He's in here. Oh, he's choking himself.
Okay, I got it. Well, let me get over that.
Hurry up, hurry up. Because he's trying to get rid of that. Hurry up.
Let me over that. Okay?
Turn around. It turned like that. Oh, come here, baby. Where are you, baby?
He thought the bag was chasing him.
I hit my hip. I bumped my hip in here. Oh, Hobbes. What bridge is this? Do you know? It's a nice bridge.
Yeah. For sure.
For sure. I know that it's a good movie. It's Meryl Streep, hun. What do you want from me?
They're a really bad writer. The whole movie sucks.
No, they're always good. Look at Meryl Streep. Student driver. Why you drive here in Manhattan, in the Bronx?
You live in the Bronx. You live in the Bronx. You literally drive in the Bronx. Just like you're driving in the Bronx.
Well, it's student driver car. Yeah,
I think you're just the instructor. I don't see nobody. Oh yeah.
there
More
is.
people there. They rotate. Driving. So you'll just.
We're following this garbage truck. Ah, that's a good one. Fantastic.
Fantastic floor.
Traffic!
That was a good movie. See that guy just cut the garbage truck off?
Yeah, almost.
You're lucky to get. Then they sue the city.
See.
Take exit 5 on the
Yeah, come on,
right
we'll give it to them.
to
We'll give them $1
Baconstown
million.
Bridge, then take the first right.
Hi guys, we're home. And you know what I'm watching right now? I am watching a... Hold on, I have to post this. I watched the Pretty Little Liars. Hi guys, I am making some... No, I forgot what kind of fish that I make. I make this salmon. I marinated it a while ago. And... Excuse me, Hobbes. I'm sneezing. So yeah, I'm just going to bake this. And I'm looking for something. I put this already. It's salt like that. It's not tilapia. I made some other fish, but it's not tilapia. It's, I forgot the name of this one. I'll show you guys. This kind of fish. I seasoned it and I flipped it over and then seasoned the other side of it. Ay, ay, ay. I forgot. I put this, the garlic, powdered garlic. Oops, too much. And powdered onion and paprika, a little bit of paprika. Add, it's give aroma, and Old Bay for seafoods. So, and salt. Anyway, guys, I'm just looking online, like more houses. Maybe there's some houses that it's for sale, but it's a new listing, but it's not. So I give up. I decided to start cooking. It's already 6 o'clock. It's 5:57. So yeah, I have my iPad right here. I'm just planning to have some vegetables and fish. That's it. Nothing else. Right, them Hobbes? Are you hungry, Hobbes? Is my little boy hungry? He's so hungry. I guess you're hungry, right? The salmon and the flounder. Yeah, that's the name. The flounder. Sleeping with mama now? Are you sleeping with mama now, Abdi? Ah. Hi guys. My name is Hobbs. Mama loves me. Mama loves me.